This program contains graphic material, including offensive language. Viewer discretion is advised.
The rise of EBK. The EBK Everybody Killa gang, also known as EBK Hot Boys, originated from two cousins, Nelly Bo and J-Bo Tooley, who were frequently targeted by other gangs like the Sonola Cartel. Although the Sonola Cartel wasn't formally established, it was a large friend group, and another gang called Mob Ties also posed a threat. The formation of EBK solidified when Nelly met his best friend, Muwop Bennett. They later connected with Fido Dinero, another influential figure, and together, these four established EBK in Mirror Park. After being shot at by CJ, a high-ranking member of Sonola, they also established a presence in Laguna Palace. Combining elements of the Bloods and Crips, EBK's gang color is white. EBK boasts a diverse membership, including numerous Asian members, a few Dominicans, and a significant number of black members. Chapter 1. Early Conflicts. Initially, EBK wasn't the most powerful gang in the city. At the city's inception, the Sonola Cartel was the dominant force. Their conflict with the Sonola Cartel began with a violent encounter initiated by Nelly. After 4 cartel members confronted Nelly and Muwop, Nelly started shooting at them. Despite being outnumbered, Nelly and Muwop managed to escape, marking the beginning of a series of clashes between EBK and Sonola Cartel. This conflict raised questions about whether EBK's outcome would have been different if Sonola had remained a strong presence. Chapter 2. Mob Ties Conflict. The feud with Mob Ties began when EBK attacked their block after former Mob Ties members made derogatory comments. During the shootout, Teo, a Sonola member, was caught in the crossfire. Although EBK lost that battle, they sought revenge and eventually achieved it at CJ's Auto Exotics. Despite being outnumbered 10-12, 2 EBK members emerged victorious, resulting in 15 casualties, 5 of whom were innocents. Chapter 3. Block Boys Betrayal. After killing 2 Block Boy members, Guap and Bankroll, the Block Boys proposed a collaboration with EBK to ambush the Sonola Cartel. EBK agreed, leading to an ambush at CJ's Auto Exotic. Nelly and Muwop were trapped inside, resulting in injuries to Muwop and CJ. Nelly was also injured by Teo. This encounter escalated into a full-scale war. Despite initially collaborating, the Block Boys attempted to betray EBK again. In retaliation, EBK drove the Block Boys out of the city. EBK's evolution and dominance. EBK was the second gang created in the city, following Mob Ties, with Sonola being the third. Despite the early challenges, EBK is now the oldest and only remaining gang. Known for drug trafficking, numerous murders, and the sale of ghost guns and stolen firearms, EBK has cemented its reputation as the most ruthless gang in the city. With a member count of 15, EBK's influence varies by location. Members from Mirror Park are typically Crips, though it has some Bloods, while members in Laguna Palace are predominantly Bloods. EBK has numerous Day 1 members and controls the entire east side of Los Angeles. In contrast, most gangs operate in the south side of Chicago. This geographical dominance contributes to EBK's notoriety as the most dangerous gang in the city.